Hi, Spencer from BootUp PC here. I wanted to run through quickly your agent installation, or how to install an agent on your PC. The agent is a bit of software that goes on your PC to tell us who you are, and the help desk won't know who you are and won't be able to support you without this agent being installed. This software also controls all the monitoring that happens on your PC, so all your checks for antivirus, for hardware and software on your PC, for your Windows updates and all that kind of stuff. So you install the agent. Really simply, it's obviously the most important thing in terms of being a BootUp PC customer to get installed. However, it's really simple and easy to do. I'm just going to show you how to do that today. I also want to say where you would get that from. So when you sign up, you'll get emailed a link which will have your sort of unique download which installs your agent. So I'm just going to go through and show you how easy it is to install the agent. I'm connected up to a customer's PC here. I'm just going to open up the File Explorer, go to the downloads, so I've downloaded it previously, and double click it. You get a little progress bar and you get a little message here saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you click yes, and that's pretty much it. Job done. Now everything now just happens in the background. It's a good idea to leave your PC on for a few hours just to let it install the software it needs to install. So it needs to get your antivirus installed now, and it also needs to get your Log Me In software installed, which is what the help desk will use to connect remotely, and also what you could use to connect remotely from home to your PC if you needed to. So yeah, so like I say, good idea to leave it on for 2 hours. So don't do this at the end of the day and then shut your PC down. And that's it, really. That's your agent installation done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video, and post any questions that you might have, or anything else that you think might improve this video. Thanks very much.